How to make YouTube videos. Making YouTube videos can be a fun and rewarding way to share your interests and connect with others. Here are some general steps to help you get started. 1. Plan your video. Before you start filming, it's important to have a plan for your video. Decide on a topic or theme, brainstorm some ideas for what you want to cover, and create an outline for your video. You should also consider the length of your video and the type of audience you want to reach. 2. Set up your equipment. You will need a camera to film your video, whether it's a smartphone or a dedicated camera. You may also need other equipment, such as a tripod, microphone, or lighting, depending on the type of video you want to create. 3. Record your footage. Once you have your equipment set up, start recording your footage. Make sure to speak clearly and use good lighting and sound quality. 4. Edit your video. After recording your footage, you can use editing software to refine your video. This can include adding music or sound effects, cutting out unwanted footage, or adding text and graphics. 5. Upload your video. Once your video is finished, you can upload it to YouTube. Make sure to give your video a catchy title and write a description that explains what your video is about. You can also add tags to help people find your video. 6. Promote your video. To get more views and subscribers, you can promote your video on social media and other websites. You can also engage with your viewers by responding to comments and creating a community around your channel. Remember that making YouTube videos takes time and practice, so don't be discouraged if your first videos don't get a lot of views. Keep experimenting and refining your skills, and you may find success with your YouTube channel. YouTube videos. YouTube videos can cover a wide range of topics and formats, from educational content to entertainment and beyond. Here are some popular types of YouTube videos. 1. Vlogs. Vlogs, or video blogs, are a type of video diary that follow the day-to-day life of the creator. Vlogs can be focused on a particular theme, such as travel or fashion, or can simply be a way for the creator to connect with their audience. 2. Tutorials. Tutorials are a popular type of YouTube video that provides step-by-step instructions on how to do something, such as makeup tutorials, cooking videos, or DIY projects. 3. Reviews. Review videos offer the creator's opinion on a particular product or service, such as movie or video game reviews, or tech product reviews. 4. Entertainment. YouTube is also a popular platform for entertainment content, such as sketch comedy, music videos, and web series. 5. Educational. Educational videos cover a wide range of topics and can include science, history, politics, and more. They can be created by professionals or enthusiasts and can be a great way to learn about new topics or expand your knowledge. 6. Live streams. Live streaming is a popular way for creators to connect with their audience in real time. Live streams can cover any topic and can include Q&A sessions, gaming, music performances, and more. These are just a few examples of the types of YouTube videos you can create. The key to creating a successful YouTube channel is to find a topic that you're passionate about and create content that your audience will enjoy.